popular music player application. I'll be just showing you guys how to use it like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. This is pretty much your own screen, and very simple music player. Once you have allowed all the features and allow access to your storage, it will pretty much search your entire device to find any music that's on your device. So you can go here in the music section and pretty much find all the music in this section. You can create a playlist with all those music that you have found on your device, and also the folder section will go into your folder as well to pretty much find everywhere that the music are. It will find everything, guys. Also, you can show hidden folders as well. You have the album section here as well. The artist, person who sing the song that's on a device, you can find that as well. Genre of the music. So a lot of things for this application. To play your music, all you have to do is pretty much tap on the music that's on your device. When you download it, when you have downloaded it from somewhere, whatever the case is, guys. So here you have some features as it relates to this music player. At the top here, at the right hand corner, left hand corner side here, you have the shuffle option. If you turn on the shuffle, it will pretty much play just random music. It won't play from the list coming down. It will just choose something random for you. But if you don't want that feature, you can just turn it off. Now, at the right hand side over here, this is a repeat only feature. If you only want this song to play, then you make sure you enable that feature. But if you want the entire list to play, you make sure to put it on this here. And if you don't want any of that, just turn it off. Pretty much you selecting your own music. And do keep in mind it will stop once it's finished playing. So down here, obviously it's a play button. You can go back to 10 seconds into the music. Down here you have the music booster option here. As you can see, you can enable this feature and pretty much boost your music to your liking. If you don't know anything about that, just leave it out. So that's pretty much it for the application. Very straightforward. Also, you can see the lyrics, but for not for all songs though. So do keep that in mind. It's a very easy application to use. And at the top here, you can pretty much tap on that icon here to get the subscription, which pretty much removes all ads on the application. Do keep in mind you're gonna encounter a lot of ads, not a lot, good amount of ads while using this application here, that unlock things featured here and pretty much everything. And you also get a 3 days free trial as well to just start out with the application. So if you do like it, you can either continue with your 1 month subscription or your yearly subscription. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Also, as you can see here, they're giving you a 7-day as well. So if you want a 7-day, you can pretty much tap on X and it will give you an option for a 7-day instead of the 3-day. So that's really pretty much it for this video. And if I missed anything at all, please comment below. And one thing I forgot to mention, if you have downloaded a new song or anything like that and you cannot find it in the music player, do make sure you go in the settings section here at the top and tap on scan music, and it will pretty much scan your device for the music that you have just downloaded and should be in your playlist section here or your music section here. So with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.